Alright, so hope everyone is good. It's around midday at the time of recording this video, but I don't know why no one will care about that. So what I wanted to show you in this video is some PPC results for those of you who are struggling with PPC, have really high ACOS, who have really bad return on investments, high spends, low sales, really struggling, just that kind of thing. I want to show you some results from a PPC client I've been working with for the past couple months. So yeah, I hope you enjoy those results. So what are the new results of these campaigns I've been talking about? Well, we've spent around £74, we've made around £2,000, that's a return on ad spend of 27 and an average ACOS of 3.7%. And here is the actual breakdown of that. So most of these have been set up for around 10 hours or something like that. So you will see we have a 6.18% ACOS here, we have a 1.74% ACOS there, we have an 8% ACOS here. And then for the one that's been set up for the longest, for the full 30-day period that this is, we've got a 3.3% ACOS, which is spent around £64 and returned around £1,900. So I hope you guys enjoyed that short video of some results for those new PPC campaigns. I'm currently running around 1.5 million plus in projected sales now on Amazon throughout all clients. So that's very, very exciting. And if you want to work with me, if you want to hopefully put some of these results into your Amazon business and learn the strategies behind them, then shoot me a message. There'll be some vetting questions, but I'd love to take on some more clients.